بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. We greet you with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, a greeting of peace from my home here in the Caribbean island of Trinidad at this time, which is about the middle of the month of Rabiul Awal. And this video is entitled Calling the United States of America and Canada. The reason for this is because if you see me looking tired and sleepy, it's because I spent the whole day today with Faraz, who is doing the recording for me, and we went shopping for furniture and appliances and other things for a home of an elderly woman who is a relative of mine and who's ill and who lives alone, and her home was collapsing for the last 20 years. And every contractor said, you've got to demolish this home. And I got a contractor who said, no, I can help you. And we spent maybe 1 year with a lot of zakat that you gave. So I'm recording this to thank you for your zakat. And the house is now 90-something% completed, the repairs. That is the upper floor. And the furniture and the appliances, we went and repaid for them today. All I need to do now is to get by the pots and pans and spoons and so on for the kitchen, and a little carpet for the sitting room, small one. And in 1 week from now, she'll be able to very happy to enter her home and to live in some peace and comfort in these last years of her life. This is because of the zakat that you have sent, and I want to thank you for it. And the next thing is that if you do have some zakat and you are in the United States and Canada, not Britain and Europe and so on, and you want to send it to me, I'll be grateful for that, because we're running out of zakat now. Also, I have been preparing for the Great War for the last 2 years, trying to build a very small home in the remote countryside and stocking up on wood to cook. And we'll talk about that later. And we started building about 2 years ago, and the house is now about 98% completed, and I'm running out of funds now. But I do have complete sets of books with me here in Trinidad, and you can get them autographs, but I only have about 10 complete sets. So this is for you only if you're in the United States and Canada, because the airmail charges for a big heavy box of books will be enormous if we send it to Europe or Britain. And I will be in Britain and Europe, inshallah, in January and February. But if you're in the United States and Canada, then the DHL gives us an economy rate, which is a little bit more than the airmail, and you'll have it delivered in about less time than an airmail, 1 week or so. So if you want to have a complete set of my books, there are about 32 books now, just send me an email. You see the email address at the bottom of the screen, and I will autograph all the books, and in one book I'll put in the name that you want to have inscribed in the book, and inshallah I may get some additional income to try to complete the house. So this is the email. This is the calling the United States and Canada, because this is reserved only for those in the United States and Canada, because of the cheap rate of sending a box of books to you. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.